How to remove other devices from my Gmail accounts. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can remove other devices from your Gmail account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To basically remove other devices from your Gmail account, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Gmail application here, and then you will see this type of interface where what you have to do is tap on your Google profile from the top right, go to the option called manage your Google account. Then when you go to manage your Google account, you're going to see this type of toggle again where you simply need to navigate to the security tab, as you can see. And once you go to security, scroll down here, you'll find an option that is your devices. So you can tap on manage all devices option, and as you have done that, you'll be able to go ahead and basically see a list of the devices logged in. So you can select that device and then you can just tap on the sign out option to sign out of those devices. This way you can remove your Gmail or your Google account from other devices. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.